Yes, those are birds you're hearing. This is in Apex, 0.70 acre. So it's a nice large lot on a little cul-de-sac. We're gonna take a really quick tour. It's a one-level ranch home. Welcome, cute entry. Hardwood floors. There's the kitchen, so we're gonna take a walk through this way, right there. Garage. Real wood-burning fireplace with an insert. That's what all the wood is for. A nice deck, fenced-in yard. And there's a shed back there with a generator in there. We're gonna go quicker. We're gonna go quickly. Oh, nice, real nice. There's the master bath. And that's it. We're having an open house Saturday and Sunday.